12th one, write a Python program to print alpha pattern D. Okay. So this D pattern first we have to convert into rows and columns. So like this one. Okay. So observe here. So we throw and sixth row. Okay. So we throw sixth row and zero column, first column, second column, third column print stars here. Simple. So how many rows are there? For row in range of 7. Each row how many columns? 5 columns. Per column in range of 5. Okay. So now how was the pattern? Way to print star now 0 and 0 and sixth. Okay, zeroth row position and sixth position, and zeroth column, first column, second column, third column. Okay, so we have to print star there. Okay, in the orange positions. Okay, if row in 0 comma 6 and column in where column in 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, print star here. Okay, print star comma and is equal to space of this one post. Just copy this and okay, 0 and 6 are finished. Next, how many rows are left here? Okay, observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1 to 5th row and just 1 to 5th row and the 0th column and 4th column. Okay, print stars here. Okay, here first column, first row, second row, third row, fifth, fourth row, fifth row, and also the first column in the 0th column in the 4th column. Okay, print stars here. Okay, print star there. And if row in how many rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 0, 6 mentioned and only 1 to 5 rows and column 0 comma 4th position. Okay, print star there and else print empty. Uh, and is equal to yes. Okay, just print statement here. That's it. So D pattern here. Okay, so D pattern here. Write a Python program to print the build same alphabet pattern here. And next thing also try. Okay, write Python program to print the alpha pattern G. Same like previous patterns only. Because all patterns you have to follow. Each row consists of 5 columns and you repeat each row for 5 times. Okay, so like that and so the same thing. Just try static program. Write a Python program to print the alphabet pattern G. Okay, same way you can say have to convert it to the rows and columns and you can check which rows and columns are there. 2 print stars there. Okay, and put empty space and 2 print stars. Okay.